Hello and welcome back to K&F Design. If you're new here, my name is Katie. Please head down below and subscribe to this channel and give me a thumbs up so we can keep crafting together. I was at Dollar Tree and picked up one of their large size Jenga block tumbling tower game pieces. And I know there's so many different types of crafts you can do with this. So I decided to do a craft with them again today. So let's head on to my crafting desk and see what we come up with today. So for today, I'm going to make some quick, simple, easy ornaments made from a lot of stuff you can find from Dollar Tree. To start off, I'm going to do 4 different ones here. And each one has a base of these Jenga block tumbling tower pieces from Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to make them all uniform by doing sets of 3. This one here is going to be a Santa Claus, so we just need something for his nose. So it's a half circle. This will be a snowman. And I just found this random piece of wood in my craft supplies, and it was the perfect piece to make his brim. I know most of you won't be able to find this because I don't even know where it came from. So if you wanted to use, you could use like a popsicle stick and cut it down. You could even use 2 more Jenga blocks and do it like that, which actually it would be more like that, so it's even. It'd look better when it's all painted, but that's another option for you there. I think this guy, I'm gonna try to make a gingerbread man, and this one will be a present. Just thinking, since I was thinking of 3, you could do stack of 3 and do the books. You might even, to make it a little bit thicker, go like that, tie some ribbon, and then do like Mary Ann Bright, or I don't know, warm wishes, or some type of little saying on that. But it could be a little stack of books too. I always think of that when I see the 3s. The first step is to paint everything. So if you are doing the Santa, you need 1 red brick, a skin tone of your choice, and the nose, and a white brick. The snowman needs a black, 2 white, and whatever you're using for the brim of his hat in black. The gingerbread needs 3 brown, and the present, I'm doing a white present, so I'm doing 3 white. So now that these are painted, we will glue them together. I'm using some hot glue to glue my pieces together. You could also use some wood glue if you would like. And then I like to look and see which sides look the best, and then determine what side to have up and facing. And then I also like to put it on the ground here, so that way I know it's nice and flat and even. Now to add all the little faces and detail and extra bits and pieces, I'm going to be playing around with some extra greenery I have, and maybe some bells. And I think for doing the faces, markers work the best, but if you don't, you can use your paint. You can even use the end of a paintbrush to help get those little dots for eyes and things like that. So let's add our finishing touches, and then we will add a ribbon or string to the back to complete our ornaments. So here's all the cute little Jenga block tower ornaments. You have to let me know down below which one you like the best. Thanks for watching. Happy crafting.